Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious lasagna. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will need 500 grams of minced beef, 9 lasagna sheets, Dolmio Lasagne sauce and Dolmio Tomato Lasagne sauce, some grated cheese and a cooking pot. Let's get started. So get a frying pan and fry the beef on a high heat until brown. Don't forget to put some oil in it so that the beef doesn't stick to the pan. As you can see, it's already starting to brown. So once it's fully browned, add the Dolmio tomato. Now that it's all mixed in, cook for another 5 minutes. So while we're doing this, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. So now it's been cooking for 5 minutes, take it off the heat. So be careful because it might be hot. But what we want to do is take a third of the bolognese sauce in. And spread it out. And what you can do if you want, you can add some herbs like rosemary or Italian spice. And then arrange 3 lasagna sheets on the top. So now that you have your 3 sheets on, now spread out the lasagna sauce. So now we do the second layer. So we put another layer of mincemeat and sheets on, and now it's time for the sauce. Now it's time for the final layer. Now once you've got the final layer of bolognese, add 3 sheets, the rest of the lasagna sauce, and then sprinkle some grated cheese over the top. Now put it in the oven for half an hour or until the cheese is golden brown. So now it's out of the oven, let's try it. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the button down below. See you next time. Bye.